Hey everybody, today we crochet this almond pattern headband or ear warmers, which can also be used as a neck warmer. It is a beautiful pattern and I will explain how to crochet it. Now let's begin. To crochet this almond pattern headband or ear warmers, the following material is needed. We will need yarn, 1 skein or 100 grams in any material and color of your choice. We will need a 5mm crochet hook or an 8 size crochet hook. We will need scissors, a tapestry needle, some stitch markers and a measuring tape. This headband can be made in any size of your choice. Now let's begin. Remember, this is a 4-row repeat pattern. Work your slip stitches loosely. To start, you will measure your head with the measuring tape to know the size of your almond pattern headband or ear warmers. Now we will make a slip knot. Take the tail end of your yarn and loop it over the working end as I am showing. Then you will take the tail end and go below the loop to form a pretzel or 2 ears. Now catch this loop, the second loop, in your crochet hook and pull it out. This is your slip knot. Tighten by tugging on the tail end. Now we will chain the length of the headband in a multiple of 8. I will show you. To chain, we will yarn over and pull through. So go below the yarn, catch the yarn in your hook and pull it through the loop. Go below the yarn, catch the yarn in your hook and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Do this for as long as you need your headband or ear warmers to be. Make sure that you have a multiple of 8, either 64, 72, 80 and so on. I will meet you once you finish. I have finished my chain, which is a multiple of 8. It is chain 72. Now we will join to the very first chain with a slip stitch. Make sure that your chain is straight, all the V's face up before you join with a slip stitch. To join with a slip stitch, bring the first chain close to the last one. Then insert your hook into the back limb of the V that you see as I am showing. Then you will yarn over and pull through that loop, and next pull through the loop on your hook. This is a slip stitch. The rest of the pattern will be worked in rounds. Begin round 1 with a chain 1. Then you will slip stitch in 4 stitches. You will begin from the second chain. We had slip stitch in the first chain, so begin 4 slip stitch beginning with the second chain. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Then you will yarn over and pull through the loop and then pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Yarn over, pull through the loop and then pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Yarn over, pull through the loop and then pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop on your hook. Once we have 4 slip stitches, we will make 4 half double crochet in the next 4 chain. So yarn over first to make a half double crochet. Then go into the back limb of the V. Yarn over again. Pull through the loop. Once you have 3 loops, you will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Do this again. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Yarn over. Pull through the hoop. Then when you have 3 loops left, you will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the back limb of the V. Yarn over and pull through. When you have 3 loops left, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the back limb. Yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We have made our 4 half double crochet. Now we will make 4 slip stitch. Make sure you make them loosely. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. Now we will make 4 half double crochet, then 4 slip stitch. We will do this till the end of the row and I will meet you there. I have reached the end of round 1. I have finished with 4 half double crochet. We can mark the last half double crochet to make it easier for us. Then slip stitch into the first slip stitch of the row. This is our chain 1. And this is our first slip stitch. So to join, go below both the loops of the V of the first slip stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop and then pull through the loop on your hook. Now we will chain 1 and turn our work to begin round 2. We can count the stitches by counting the V's. We will have the same at the end of every round. Now this is the loop facing us. It is called the front loop, and this is the back loop. It is the loop facing away from us. We will now make all our stitches into the back loop for all the rounds. In round 2, we will skip the first 2 stitches and work into this stitch, which is the last stitch of the previous row. This is our joining stitch and this is our chain 1. Now remove the stitch marker and make 4 half double crochet, starting with the stitch with the stitch marker, working only in the back loops. Yarn over, go only into the back loop as I am showing, then yarn over and pull through the loop. Once you have 3 loops, you will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Do it again. Yarn over, go only into the back loop, then yarn over and pull through the loop. Once you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go only into the back loop, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through the last 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, then yarn over and pull through. Once you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a 4 half double crochet. Now we will make 4 slip stitches only in the back loop. Go into the back loop with your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Go into the back loop only with your hook, then yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Go only into the back loop, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook. This is my 4th and final slip stitch. Now I will make 4 half double crochet into the back loop, then 4 slip stitches into the back loop, and so on till the end of the row. I will meet you there. Little tip, we can mark the first half double crochet of the row with a stitch marker. This will help us later. I have finished my row 2 with 4 slip stitches into the 4 slip stitches of the previous row. I have marked my last slip stitch with a different color stitch marker that will help me later. Now you will join by slip stitch to the very first stitch we have made, which we have already marked. So remove your stitch marker, then go below both the loops of the V, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Now you will chain 1 and turn your work. Now I will begin round 3 with 4 half double crochets in the back loop. Remember that we will start working our first half double crochet from the stitch marker, because this is the chain 1 and this is the turning chain. This is the last stitch of the previous row where we will start. So remove your stitch marker, yarn over, go into the back loop of the stitch, then yarn over and pull through. Once you have 3 loops, you will yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Make 3 more in the back loop. 1, 2, and the last one. In all, we have 4 half double crochets. Now we will make 4 slip stitches into the back loop only. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we will make 4 half double crochets after 4 slip stitches, then 4 slip stitches, then 4 half double crochet till the end of the row. I will meet you there. I have finished round 3 with 4 slip stitches and marked my last slip stitch. Then I will slip stitch into the first stitch which I have marked with another color marker. Remove the marker, go below both the limbs of the V, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Then you will chain 1 and turn your work. Now you will begin this row with 4 slip stitches. Start working from your marker. Make 4 slip stitches, then make 4 half double crochet. Then make 4 slip stitches and make 4 half double crochet. I will meet you when you finish the end of round 4. Remember to mark your first stitch and your last stitch of every row. Work your slip stitches loosely so that it is easy to crochet into them. Also remember to work only in the back loop throughout the pattern. I have finished row 4 with 4 half double crochet and marked my last stitch with a stitch marker. Now I will join my slip stitch to the first stitch which I have marked before. Remove your marker and make a slip stitch to join. Now you will chain 1 and turn your work to begin round 5. We will begin round 5. Skip the first 2 as always and begin from the stitch that we have marked. Work in the back loop and make 4 slip stitches in the first 4 stitches. Then in the next 4 we will make 4 half double crochet in the back loop. Then we will make 4 slip stitches in the back loop and so on till the end of the row. I will meet you once you finish. I have finished round 5 with 4 half double crochet and marked my last stitch. Now I will slip stitch to my first stitch of the round which I have already marked previously. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and then pull through. Now you will chain 1 and turn your work for round 6. Let us begin round 6 with 4 half double crochet. Remove your stitch marker. This is where you will make your first half double crochet as always. Make 4 half double crochet in all, then make 4 slip stitches working only into the back loop. Then 4 half double crochet, then 4 slip stitch. Do so till the end of the round. You should mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. I'll meet you once you finish this round. You will end round 6 in 4 slip stitches, then slip stitch to the first stitch of the row. Then you will chain 1 and turn. Now you will repeat row 3 to 6 for pattern. I will show you in a chart. I have put up a chart. Round 3 to 6 has to be repeated for pattern. Make the almond headband or ear warmers 4 to 4.5 inches long by repeating round 3 to 6. Remember, at the end of every round, chain 1 and then turn your work before beginning the next round. Always work in the back loop of all the stitches. I will meet you once you finish. My almond pattern headband or ear warmers measure about 4 inches. Make sure you end at row 6 of the pattern. We will now make a slip stitch border for this headband. Slip stitch to the first stitch of the row that I have marked by a stitch marker. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Now we will slip stitch across, beginning with the stitch marker. When we slip stitch the border, we will go below both the loops of the V. As usual, we will start with the last stitch of the previous row. Go below both the loops of the V, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop on your hook. Go below both the loops of the V, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop on the hook. You will do this till the end of this row and I will meet you there and show you what to do next. Once we reach the last stitch, we will slip stitch into the first stitch of the row. Now we will cut the thread about 6 to 8 inches so that we can weave it in. Then we will pull out a loop as I am showing. Let us flip over our work so we can make a border on the other side of this headband. You will have to join the yarn, so hold the yarn in a loop form and insert your hook next to the tail end that you can see of the initial yarn. Then insert your hook as I am showing and catch the loop on your hook and pull it through. Now you will chain 1. If you pull your work, you will see little spaces where we can insert our hook. This is where we will make our slip stitches. Slip stitch across in each of these spaces till you reach the end as I am showing. Once you finish, we will slip stitch and finish this border. I have slip stitched. Now I will cut my yarn and I will pull up a loop. Bring in your tapestry needle to weave the ends in. Once you have threaded your needle, you will insert it and bring it towards the back of your work. Then you will go 3 or 4 times in the opposite direction till you are sure your yarn is firmly weaved in, and you will cut off the thread. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will cut off the thread. We will do this for all the remaining threads. This beautiful almond pattern headband is now ready. It can also be used as a neck warmer. All we have to do is slide it down our neck. If we turn it inside out, we can see it has a pattern on the inside as well. If you have enjoyed making this almond pattern headband come neck warmer, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment below with all doubts and suggestions. Thank you and see you next time.